Hey, I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. The other question I got is how do I see who has viewed my LinkedIn profile? And so here, let me show you how to do that. It's really pretty easy. From the home page of LinkedIn, you can see right here it is right here, right below my name and my headline is who's viewed your profile. Now, if you've got almost no profile views, that's not going to be there. But I'll tell you the URL of that is pretty easy. It's right here. It's basically linkedin.com/me/profile-views. And so here it is right here. And this, everything you see right here is accessible to everybody. But this section right here, this gray area here with the gold bar, anytime you see a gold bar, that's a premium feature. Okay. Now, also with premium, which that's a fee-based LinkedIn subscription, you can see the last 90 days of who's viewed your profile. Okay? Now, I am not advocating for you to spend money on LinkedIn just to see who's peeking at your profile. That's not what I'm advocating. I'm just letting you know what the feature is. But let's go back to the top. So if you are not paying for LinkedIn, you can see the last 5 people who have viewed your profile. So you'll typically get these boxes right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe this one right here. And usually this box right here is going to say something to the effect of, hey, why don't you upgrade to premium so you can see the last 90 days. For most people, if you have less than 450 profile views in a 90-day period, you do not need to pay for LinkedIn to see who has looked at your profile. Because if you do the math, 5 times 90 is 450. So if every day you take a look at this, for the most part, as long as you're getting less than 5 views a day, then for the most part, you're going to see everybody who's looked at your profile. This is where it is. It's under linkedin.com/me/profile views. That's the URL right there. And when you go there, you're going to be able to see the graph. And if you're not paying for LinkedIn, you'll see the last 5 people who have looked at your profile. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. Hope that's helpful.